Welcome, English version, Mathematics Class 5, Chapter 2, Number 7. Kia and Maruf together spent 70,500 taka per month on their household expense. Maruf monthly expense 600 taka more than Kia. What are the respective monthly family expenditures of Kia and Maruf? Subtract the difference between Kia and Maruf. Then Maruf expense 6,000 taka extra. Then subtract between subtract of difference 70,500. So 6,000 minus 6,000 equal to 64,500 taka. Then Kia expenditure will be 74,500 taka. This is the both Kia expenditure 64,500 divided by 2. Hence there are two, Maruf and Kia. So Kia's expenditure 32,500 taka and Maruf expenditure 32,500 32,250 plus 600, that means 38,250 taka. Answer 38,000. Maruf expense 38,250 taka and Kia expenditure 32,250 taka. Thank you.